abisa for me mo akwa ababiem e de mo ba experiences in life so ene ye kwasiada na nim se edu kwasiada se ya na me gidi se wo tran se na yas pepper edu kwasiada me ni baby akọ Angel TV se me sisu ni ti me gidi se wo soso edu kwasiada se wo TV ni da ho ni yankopon shira wo shira boafo nyina ene a different level ene yensaka yenua emrantie mienu bi e wo hase ya womo ye delivery riders delivery motor riders womo so womo pese womo ni be share omo life experiences any delivery adwuma na womo ye no delivery services na womo ye no o how ni experience a womo kom womo ne customers e kom se yetimi tutum kofo se nyina eni ti eba eni ombidi nkomo ni ahwe eba sa abotre ben no munya adwuma ne sen na tie edin anaya na sen na ekono bigidi se adwuma bi edin nanso delivery riders de atem didie ne nso hwe omo fam no em se aginyame enu ti yanko omo hoye na ye ne omo enkotwetwe enkomo brabani mpacha apom te sei
Joso
ma munyina anso akwa aba wadaru mana ye udin de sei
me de nana ya oberima
berima o se ye friend nana ya berima e ampa out mso ye berima pa inu abema na anso e
Akumeni Richard.
Time omo kwa akona aka ho ana. Because wo hwe boots na show no kra na. Eh, dem ena ma asa wa nzo nyampon.
Very.
Wo adwumam. Wo him.
Oh yeah.
Ena na kwasie wo so ni ye be share experience no. Ano odin. Mi mama kwa ababiem. Okay. Yen sha se ona na ya wo honom. Wadaruma. Wo yeten. Wo free himfa. School.
Okay. I'm still a student.
Oh, okay.
University of the People, USA, studying bachelor's in business administration, and then University of Education.
So where him from? We adwuma we.
Me a student.
We a student. Oh, okay. Where him from?
University of the People, USA.
And no, where him from?
USA.
USA.
We study online. Yes, online.
Okay, one kasa so free him.
Me free smart include me abunoni.
We abunoni. Oh, okay. Okay, we anuanom saying.
Yeah, nsia.
Okay, ma say, mema say.
Ma miensa, mema miensa.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Well, me say. Papa.
Okay, omo go so tif.
Omo nyina, omo te, omo ho den kama.
Okay, good.
Me say the CEO of Expirience Engineering Company Limited.
Osan ye CEO e wa hinfa
Expirience Engineering Company. Expirience Engineering.
And so mo yeden
we are into CCTV, electric fencing, key card tracking and all that.
Oh, okay.
Any security IT systems we are.
Oh, and you mean how Angel TV for ankasa so ye ni how. Also ye the CCTV hwan ni bi won.
CCTV computer networking.
Oh, afa wow shop and as saying na oye no.
Yeah, office.
More office. But
you know, IT services, you know, we don't have to always be in the office.
Oh,
we have to come. It's an IT engineer.
Oh, okay.
So we are always on the field.
Oh, okay.
We do the practical works on the field. You were Kaha, you were Kumasi, you were Sunyani, you were baby. The Hiani so be free.
Abraba na oba cry. Utu kwan ba cry.
Me bet na had there permanently. Me fan by 3 years ni.
So 3 years ni ya working. Businesses are here and we be hasi.
So far, Expirience Engineering there, me started way back 2020.
Oh, okay, 5 years now.
Na me was
okay, 5 years ago. Okay.
Yes, until now, me back up juma.
Okay.
Na me call.
Okay.
As I came to establish now, and then I came with it.
Okay.
And me were the courier service. That is Bourbon Enterprise.
Okay.
It's Bourbon Enterprise near deliveries no.
Oh, okay.
And no there, me find it a year ni.
Okay.
That is when I started it, and it's working marvelously.
Oh wow! It's your business takum.
Oh sure.
Oh, okay.
And yet takum sir, but
okay.
Kakra.
Okay.
Abrabono stage 1, stage 2, and to make us a more class 1.
Okay.
Because baby I'm person me do no. Me knew where and he said me calculated you person me do ni there. Then you are afraid na me work class 1. Afraid na me started. My dad wanting that.
Wow.
Me bank me dad wanting sometimes. Obi oni me be him say no, this guy is a hustler. I've lived on the streets. And say me who obi was street ni so a enne maybe amanya 20 Ghana bia ko high dine. Should I leave the person on the street? No. I was say me boa no no so nya bibi.
E 2% kire say bra wa brainti ene osuso fan for ghettos na oboa wom.
The goal is to help the society. And not me.
Enti delivery services na koso anase say it ajibe bia no wo dia anase sen na person kire.
Oh, I have a let me say I have a portion in it because me so me bikes are me ama for amudi here juma.
Oh.
And you know
ah ma tro din ben na wo
yeah try ho bibia.
Oh, okay.
Me boys are more I pick them from the society me baby I met me area I met from the ghettos.
And what register company no?
I'm not registered. Because any company, me registered company, Caribbean Enterprise.
Oh, okay.
But the goal is not for the biking industry and delivery industry.
Okay.
No, but to help the society.
Oh.
And society, no, me bike me the mawa 80 cedis a day.
And moto no mawo.
Me the mawa. Now they are juma.
Now they are juma.
So about 10 going, at least. In fact, say 10.
Oh, motorbike bear 10
currently.
Ah, would the amount boys no?
Yes.
A day sales here.
80 cedis a day.
80 cedis.
And it makes sense.
800 or 80.
80 cedis. The goal is to help them.
In 200 cedis.
200 cedis. No.
Sweetheart. In 200
cedis. The goal is to help the society.
In a day, no, not as a woman make 800 and that's 1,000 Ghana.
Less than.
And I find it's 800, right? Oh.
The goal is to help the society. You understand?
Enti o passion nyina na say we need so ade hu nyina na say wabre enti wo so be ye we di aboa society no.
That is it.
Boys no.
The only be no at least en kakra sana abrabo ne tie.
Wo ye den na wo hu say we ye nipa papa. We nye nipa papa enti wo be top bike man because na wo can you pick o found from ghettos and obia obeba obeka so hia mo bia. I mean was said here obetimi adwane. I mean so I mean what's about
obia society na manipa boni ni.
Okay.
Obia ni ho ewo na oyi nipa boni.
Okay.
Obi bebe wiawa ana obebo kro no a e bibi na man yes ade.
Oh.
No one was born a thief. No one was born an armed robber.
Okay.
And the more I've lived with them, I visit them. Wow. I know them. I run background checks on them.
Wow.
And before I give you my bike, I know your siblings. At least your mom, your brother. And you say, oh, the bike in the car, we will come for your brother. And he stands in as a surety to it.
Oh,
it's not as say, I just pick somebody and I message the bike. I need to run some background checks on you first.
Okay.
And it doesn't end there. You bring the bike every week for servicing. So gradually, you see, said those that were in the ghetto, there are people obi to get to home,
okay.
Only the obedio. But also be kwa ye juma. No aba no asoma na je koto we breme. Je koto aduan bra no no so nya biadi.
Wow.
That is what is happening.
And in a motorbike no air for sa no. And omo ye good to extend say utimi frɛ order now from to koko wa habrem to wache wa habrem se anaba. E ba yan so se bi wa 16 cedi, 20 cedi, 12 cedi any ade no.
You know.
Wow.
That is our problem. Imagine obi a oye deliveries. The family is dependent on him. About 3 or 4. Obi o yere won ba o. And in Marco school.
Na wan kasa o yere ne mba.
Mini yere, mini
ba. But wo mba.
Mini ba, mini.
But wo girls.
Mini girls. Mini
girl.
Girl.
Wo girl.
Mini girl.
Na wo train. We have businesses we na wo train.
Na wo train.
Sir.
When it comes to money, oba master mo.
It will for oba how many months in?
Oh, enrakra me fabi.
Enrakra ofe.
Enrakra.
Okay, it will use ade no. And abo no raw.
Hey, it makes sense oh.
Okay. So be use.
Life who hear me oh.
Okay.
Na bra me brain.
Okay.
So obi be didi na menyeska na nyame fa say mo me register no.
Okay.
No, I'm using everything.
Everything. Okay. It is so unye ready so be for serious girlfriend. And I be worry. Now I have a family. Now I say it should trip say okondra. The one na okondra.
The goal is not say me ready say.
Okay.
Me worry and I say me make it serious family. Say and let me show be know you're okay. I'm good to go with her.
Okay.
I had a serious relationship.
Okay.
But because of situation in Tio.
Okay.
The entire in my dream no.
Okay.
Because we need to go found your share. The goal is to look for money first.
Okay.
And you're bad. Okay. And to say, oh, you're a young boy now was street in so no for bad. No bad mafia because of here and tia. Chairman, and for dream call ba so bi
ba me hu ni sesenia wani brisika anase wani disika echi na asa wo pesika nya se wani brisika kra wo pesika asa wo business wo wani so there is no way out for back rub more bana attention who entertain asa wo more bana ni wo mani feel cause they be focus wo adwuma so wo sika so kwan ya obefa so obenya sika there is no way ebia yeah
the fact is that obabia or no betina no e wo ni go e wo botanity or not.
Okay.
There is a saying say odo me I don't believe in love. I believe in interest.
You don't believe in love?
No, I believe in interest.
As in how?
Yeah, obia won interest. Obia wo de ope wo bi hunti a before me hu oba bia me ka chen say oba me ni jo hu na pese me no tina no. E wo de me hu. It's not just love.
Wow.
I have an interest. Before the lady would accept my proposal, she has her interest.
What dey yen for that seven in see her. Na yen to so. Baby, and now we're dreaming.
And see, what I'm saying is that the goal is not to look for money as a whole, but the goal is to help the society. You don't need to be society. My bro, I've lived outside. I have videos of and pictures of me and my Juma throughout the night. Throughout the night, and I made that bench so abundant.
So, mommy, sisi ya. Not just a train, mommy kakrebi. I was saying for also a bread. You enjoy the videos. What bread?
It's not been easy. Coming to Accra, we live on the street. And he said, Nenya, me madam, na say my free street in this one. But me who will be a street in this one? I need to help the person. The goal is to help the society. And say now the venture now you remember delivery business, the delivery companies are not helping.
Okay.
The fact is that the Nabusian for depending on him, said you obedient, or koba. Because the company takes all his money and then leaves him with nothing. Wow. Imagine say, wow, yeah, Juma true other day. Now we seek a 100 cities and not 200 cities. In fact, it's 200 cities. What you fool is from when you're 200 cities. 200 cities, no coincidence, 80 cities. Some companies take some people take more than 80 cities. A BG 120, a BG 100 cities. Send our car with him. Send our decoration with Bushia.
So, send who can car deliveries and answer Okada motor deliveries.
I'm talking about courier, the motorbike.
Oh, okay.
Because it's a mini scam and they talk cars.
Okay.
So this is the little I have, and the masses. It's not that difficult to be a courier rider or to ride a motorbike. Wow. All you need is your phone and then a motorbike.
Okay.
You get a license. Already the only license crown, me license man.
The only license crown. We in a background check. Yeah. Na say esa one ni ye adwuma. We license man. Edit it no.
Me fanti no.
We check free.
Wow. The goal is to help the society, not me.
Edi adwene ba wutirim say yes sir. All because of what brother oba craft from what brother na say dear pa na she un cry say yes I did.
Baba hima me nibi. Me nibi o. Dia me yen se me obi o.
Okay.
Me nibi. But eya na ya. Se obehu obi so ti abonten na de obedi kura oni. Na ebia the little I've acquired no meaning say metimi abo nipa na. Why don't I help the person?
Example so say what boss. My sweetheart, udini modu. Somebody ni bi me na hwefo. Ehwo. Na
Akumeni Richard.
Okumeni. Akumeni Richard.
Richard.
Richie, wadaroma. Ni en share experience kakre. Enfa na wo free. Richie free enfa. Mo say ebrebe na oba akra we ni so ade hudi eti na ma oba akra wadaroma.
Nyangasa de. Na omawo mi wo Kofoedua.
Okay. We dey ni.
Me Aibeni.
Oh, we are way. Oh, that's nice. O free enfa.
Me free. Me ma me free. Anglo. And I'm papa free Aplau.
Aplau, okay.
That's right.
Ade na ya flower na aplau.
Aflau.
Aplau, but ye ya kana flower. Hey, o ko to do a flower ya sem krom, do you know. Okay. Mo ye dodo saying.
Oh, right now the year 7.
Mo ye 7 ma saying, mema saying.
Oh, mema nko.
Mema nko. Wow. Ko ma no papa te ase.
That's right.
Kuna penny.
That's right.
Kuna penny.
That's right.
Wow. Ebrebe na ba Accra.
Oh, me ba Accra around 2013.
2013.
That's right.
2013. 12 years ago.
Omuwe no, buafo ni wa. Na makoye ba peni de. School sensem so no, akoji nsem. Nti se me fa me ti dodom. Nti no na de me ba pie wa Accra.
Okay.
Ba pie mu no. Me ni obi a wo nkra ha me ka so me kwa asimisi wa kwatena ne nchen.
Okay.
Station for na ne nchen na. My mates nyema bebre mintum boso because emreni
atna ghettos ni ade ne so bi
ghetto ni die mintina hoda.
Okay.
But street ni die.
Okay.
Matina ma for dan chi na de ade.
Okay.
Nte efre onom no me ye adwuma bebre ti say farm work, security, washing base nyema bebre wo betumi dey survive.
Okay.
Nte delivery nso buy no and so na me yes adwuma na me se kakra.
Okay.
De abusuan so behia no omo fra kakra me wo no na me support no. Nte delivery ne buy no na me ko menua bi ho na me ko GBB wo ne ho eso me de nso na me ko to me moto no. Nte me to moto na me register companies mo.
It's delivery no, we delivery guy.
Me delivery guy.
It's a one kasa wo de moto no.
Batchwine.
Wow, and what register?
Batchwine.
In your name.
Batchwine.
And no say and am here no.
Registration na.
Aye. Wo app bi wo amotimi ko register wo ho.
Batchwine.
Wow.
Nte delivery no. No kura nyame anim. Nyama wo mpa.
Okay.
Risk wo delivery.
Okay. As in how?
Accident.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And yes, boys mo ride forking, but e bia wo order so. Na delivery company oni ni adwuma no. Say offer measure bi to kwam because app na orane. And app nso hwe ba bia wo. Nti e bia wo motorway and highway. You are riding a bia 80 km/h. Na company way baby okono order bi wo ho. No de aka ho e wo kwam. Na emrane say order ba say quickly. You attend to your phone and pick the order.
Wow.
Say a twem omo just less than 15 seconds.
Oh, okay.
For you to pick up.
And do 20 seconds.
And do 20 seconds.
Wow.
Until less than that 15 seconds, you have to attend to your phone and pick the order. We're already 80 km/h. You want to attend to your phone on a highway or a motorway. Kai wo wenim. E bia ufa phone na ka na bo break. Wo attention akọ phone so. Abo break na answer wo ni back wako hwim. It claim lot of life a word delivery service name.
Na all right, we are then our phone.
Say
we stop it over. Sana why what pick it?
Yes.
And I say, I mean,
stop it, no. Answer na over stop it. Attend to your phone. Sa order na betwema ko.
Na betwem. So ebasa ebeko against one na say ebe charge one.
Yes. Say abetwema your be a friend priority point and activity point.
Okay.
Ombeti.
Okay.
Omote ebia sa de na koso a day. Okay. Obetumi anya order more than 20. Na ebia 3. The same similar issue happen.
Okay.
Along the way. You obetumi block you for 3 days and 7 days.
Hey.
Yes.
Say order ba baby a wo kon when your order dey call baby o. Undru ye. Onam kwan so ya send the order for Fabrel. Wo just 15 seconds pe say we dey check now they accept it.
That's right.
Say wanya. Yet me block it with 3 to 7 days.
Yes.
Na o drive it. Order ba. Obeye den se ka bi di wachi, se ka bi di wanim, se moto bi che se baby a wo no kura se hu.
This idea na eye ade ba ko a high pa.
Etusu se no na ema accident.
Yes. A lot of accidents. If you grab me your brother ba ko so from within less than 3 months as I'm making.
Okay.
So accident ni si wo Kwashima.
Okay.
Traffic light ni. The same on your accident no Tuesday, Friday no from we.
Jesus. It's Sunday morning na edientia because not just a no right and on person betu usika.
Yes. O person omba block you. Enya scanning tingwa. Say scanning tingwa kra there. One say dining den na as a hustler there. Say ukọ na ukonye biba. So one kwa unya ndi. Enti o person ukọ no na sa similar situation happen o ma block you a kombedo.
Kombedo not just a man make complaints ye ya na say mo app we no. Like say riders no. E dey na maye meeting be na makwa fa ho dey na maye e dey afa ho. Because na say motos no accident na do so e serious.
Me say
serious. Me akasa me na ma me di mani ehu so many na me ye ma sheme. Enye sesi akra o kan ka me feel say delivery ya be delivery companies. I thought say yeah abine dia wo. For say government dia. Minim da say bia say wa wo sika wutimi talk or register ana say bia mutimi to be moto be 10 na bra pani ato be tan o de bo ankofui na so ato dia wa register minim da okay
nti enu na esia no ye boa ye prepare won say ye de be kwa kotu aban nim
okay
because omunyina mo ye foreigners and maybe or delivery says more than 2 years.
Oh, okay.
Until the man who experience amanya no. I want to say companies be more on they don't have interest of the riders.
Oh.
Until the over to me can be beer free sober form. The omo de ye jumano and one omo can so tie. Until a horn so a higher.
Okay, that is all person say service providers no.
Yes.
Omo ye foreigners.
Yes.
It's omo ndwin mo drivers no ho anasa omo ndwin Ghana for ne ye ho anasa omo ndwin enipa ho.
Yeah, riders in there.
Omo ndwin mo.
Debi.
It is a basa say ebia obi na ma no konya accident anasa atorenche mi ko to nipa ne ko prade na omo ye fa ho.
E ho nso na ye assemble kwa e se me boss.
Wow.
Omaga so omo insurance policy bi. But up to now insurance policy bia ade a CC wo Ghana ha ebi mu ye yanda fofo ebi mu ye colleagues no ne omaga so mo dance dinner ade ya ho say omo insurance policy bi ayadwuma.
Wow.
Na kire say bibi 2 year we are our own. There is nothing like ebi wa pra una kotwa na one company we yadwuma
obeboa wa obe support wa. Okay. And so person what say delivery guys na say moto deliveries na wo Ghana no munye safe. Person bi bisa say wan kasa u start ye no uko driving school say bia moto uko sua driving no ansana obe license say ababeji u moto no.
Ade ba ko say ye ba riders mo side hu bi say like there is no proper measure.
Okay.
Aye even say Branaba Sua, once a catch, you know. The probably be schools.
Okay.
Omo chire.
Okay.
We are more certificate, now they are called DVL. Answer how much me or the answers amount. But Uber riders no ya for ma. Bibi any horse.
Rapeni, ya pese bisa say, say na woka say no. What me talk be 10 na, o dey support make us o my Ghana. Ucha da di wo fa training mu entity yem. Ansana o dey amawom. Anasa omo ko school bi anasa sanity for all the no.
There is so far me who say you were riding school.
Okay.
Ghana. Obetimi do obi akwa akohia mototwi.
Pacho so mame wadaroma na yincha ye homra.
On my long and stressful days, I long for the refreshing company of my favorite companion. Wow, my favorite. I shall make onions, no tomatoes. Hi. Oh, hello. Please, I need to know the drink you were enjoying earlier at the shop. Sure. Even on Sundays in the market, nothing is for one. Guess what I brought? a refreshing companion for you and I.
My favorite.
Angel Drinks. Nyamepe, nyawenichehu.
Angel Drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello, your friend is of Mamina na Hayford. Me yen Centrani, Messiah actress, and then you ma who do pee and na me juma dinty. Ma po me den when me papa, na seba ma po me den when dia, and one Jifax Mixture. Bonje, Jifax Mixture, me jina pabwa tenten so. Just say Jifax mama your best simwankasa. Minya bema. Ebama wonsuwa ye be mama pa. Senti ameji Jifax Mixture tumpre kopeni se. Edro no hote ye di afa abefu nimdie kwanso. Eni fidie wonwosuom ena ye ne frinchem kroje. Ye nunti ma ye resadie. Enu wane Jifax Mixture. Nemo mitie enye ma penfo oba a oma akwala nofo ana akwala onyenya emfie dumienu.
FDA ahwehwe saa edwadie nkratoɔ yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ.
Jifax Mixture. Pa.
Every time from Mwakwa Beam, Eddie Mobile Experiences in Life with Jumedia. When you go so, Fred will be no being for busy, you go it was so. And then we ensaka, you move to riders. And we see you, entrepreneur. Ewaha. Me and you are crown, or we see you because when you packet for, and I'm no more extreme come. I say, I say, come out of Wafuna, and trust way. I mean, sure. Mr. And then no ebi ana ye brain into me have a course into but more than I say, what do I drink change na ebe fa number na e da screen so no e dey am that's Brabani
okay obani
Nana
yeah
so na fi reach him rem
na make I say this Postal and Courier Regulatory Commission omo na wo say omo hwe enka the well-being the welfare of the delivery rider
okay
because so obi be fa dey free ha dey call her oye adwuma show bi ase
okay
package bi obefa akọ no otua 5%
okay
of package no to the to ne courier partner no delivery partner na oye adwuma che na se no otua percentage of ade na wafa no per the price no ema ban as tax
oh okay
enti e was a commission no and share the well-being of the rider say partner na oye adwuma e che na se no ni insurance otua ni other way so be okonya accident but this is the situation recently yet say commissioner kasa san kan ne ho was san chichi riders say riders na san kodi license
wow
say me adwuma show bi ase a nipa no insurance or roadworthy me roadworthy me driver's license me bi ahia me say say me dey hit road enti me partner no na say mo regulate no enya me and na omo kan bibi so say partners no number of bikes or more register shop mass no enya dodo no na de brom na no eye adwuma
oh okay
commission nti na wo ho
okay
wo na wo say simasi say or bicycle motorbike 20 and to abaji license say or the regulated motorbike 20 na say nipa na ma ade na kwani ma kodu bi a 30 a me bike na me nam kwan so na wo say wo cheme and then na wo commission or abaji license no ho no enti saa de no na your prices any all other factors there was a commission in there
okay
because nim say commission was established somewhere around 2003 and to moduma saying since 2003 be seen there the on moye aboa motor rider delivery rider courier rider then on moye aboa no
okay
say me baji license say me baji license as individual rider then na minya free
okay
in fact so be na minya free license na mabaji no
okay
from commission no
okay.
They should come out and tell us this is something
the system no emwa enya de boa riders na said
the commission is not helping the riders because I was someone a boom yeah pricing because yeah rider and yeah juma and these partners and regarding pricing insurance any all other near here motor rider no yeah to tax yeah juma no so and yeah the moka
okay
package yeah more than 2000 me association me down no yeah more than 2000
oh okay
and yeah association me down more than 2000 a year delivery so krom ha no imagine say nipa 2000 in a year juma a day na say you take tax once in the clear from each person every delivery be obeya e sika send e kwa ban ho and besides the one year juma kra na nya ni 2 orders and ono de no wo ya kwadwu o so one year juma
okay
e be 20 orders 15 orders
wow
And it's a beer crate you have 1 cedi. I was sending per 2,000 so 15 orders are all year a day. It's casting a car by you.
Oh.
Your tax now you did your commission a car. And it's a way you more commission ho. Now say I was say one our regulate we say prices are regulated well. The riders well being insurance or accident insurance ne partner etua any other factors. Now we share now sign crown say rider now emergency license. We are emergency watch now. It doesn't make sense.
Enti no den abesa ban ye fa ho ana se mo pese motor riders mo so mo ko strike ana.
We are hitting on the road soon.
Hey,
Say prices no yet.
okay.
What you mean ride 30 minutes from point A from highway NDT highway to a bia hacho. Now say o money pan 6 cities 8 cities. It doesn't make sense. Who are you saying?
By ye na yes we boy you forest.
And I make can say
Okay.
a horn na make can say say 5 kilometers over charge 20 series.
Okay.
A China the same 5 kilometers and 20 series now.
Oh.
But bia ene ti say what order ene 20 series 5 kilometers. A China ko order.
Okay.
On buy no 40 and 50 series amount.
Wow.
Abra also be complaining.
Of course.
Na akoye ntokwa wo wuni rather than them. But nepa o provide service no. Ono onya sa ntoka ni bi.
Ntokwa no
Nti ntokwa SCC ewo riders ne partner ntem no. Enye wo so fault, enye rider so ne fault.
Oh.
But bia obi na operating the system.
Okay.
O say gise.
Wow.
Nti say anka omoye no ene the same 20, China the same 20. Na regular. O pesa o ye promotion a ye mfa customer interest and run promotion ma riders. And I am fat riders interest and running promotion my customers. Oh, yen is o di tokwa two. Two more now per service. Me so me pay juma.
But riders no listen, we beto aso baby I also pay juma. Riders no don't do na mu chiti yen clients no mo customers no because e bi o hono mo no aka send nimpa say from Angel TV to Hachu and nipa no we so ba. Wo be sheda akwa konwanya. Where are you? I'm here. Where are you? I'm almost here. I'm almost there. Ni nyina no wo chitie. Wo di enema be 2030. Wo deliver ni nyina ansa na e bi anipa no edru no honom. Enti ne so kasa aha.
E honom no ye wo categories.
Oh.
Wa o request ma ride no. Ye wo categories a e se o hwe sa category ni so ansa na wa ye request.
Okay.
But app no and say system na o request no. Eno no onya tap point A to point B at the lowest price beba.
Okay.
Sa lowest price no e kire say nipa na o rider no obekwa akofa for amafo nyama.
Oh.
Answer na later on what deliver amount.
Okay.
Enti na customers be bring so anti system almost system so ase. Say na ete. Nti o request e bia in 2 hours answer rider wa we do. Obetumi and now kwan so kwa kofa na customer afro won da unya bedu he
na just said ya wo kan dia se wo sika no so a na just all the be bantam
yes
ba wo sika so a
yes o my system no say ope agent
okay
that one no we need rather than pay
oh
a little bit nso no e kire say obekwa kofa nipa mienu anase miensa bi ansa na wa ba wo ho. But say unya come the lowest ni die nim say e bia obotumi aye more than 5 trip answer wa bedu ho
any yen nyina see start here
yes the package say offer rider no within the average of the motorbike and he say e bia rider bedu ho omo say say package ni weight 10 kg na wa bedu ho na abu 10 kg onso hu say o pese o cheating nti onso be catch yourself abibi ka ho
okay
o catch us oso be ka say app no say onji say me wa oso a onti asese say nyema no ense say weight no embru 10 kg nti ho no e wan asede enyema asede say me kire customer bibi na say me kire customer bibi ko onfa
okay
because who am I to teach you nti service na said say obe educate customers no ewo normal product nim
okay
and a year rather nso no why my platform a o chechere nyema bako e bia obi mu no omo ntumi ntie nyina ase
okay
but here e bia ye nim dia kwa so kakra a ye tumi kika ade de ye betu yan say na app na eka ana say system na eka
okay
nti customers on side no customer ono obe o say oye delivery
okay
opo bia odi na de come no onya time e ba be can regulation rules and regulation I govern with service on the say omo ye ni san a obo say bo ha e be ko nti ono mba wet na say kan almost 2000 pages of words
okay
wa churo go say customer men kan onya sa time no
okay
Some of the career companies are here up. The more I watch them, let's go no cost.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
The more I watch our coins, so and I said the more.
Let's go no cost. The more I ride an inch.
Oh.
Let's go no cost.
And then I just say, "I can't talk that much here." It's the more, and yes, I
service back, and yes, I
service back.
Service a be or honor, and no distance charging.
Oh, okay.
A be or time charging.
So I see.
That is how it is. But Nina, commission now, I buy a Juma, I was and there was so regulatory way now.
Okay.
For the benefit of the rider, Nipan or you Juma no. Unim accident and I'm brady can say accident is companies need be over 1 month time. So far the free her and they call her say we use 5 minutes. Rider no some pass 5 minutes in better no.
Okay.
5 minutes in the toll broswa. You bet 2 sika.
I see.
It's never say Mrika 10. Not to be share motor rider and I say a pamono.
I see a pamono. But I mean, I'm so bit me the cost will be catchy.
Yes, I see a
now
pamono.
Now tough form. Now I sorry, bit me, but just say, oh my
God. Commission now buying body now was or share now.
Anyway, yeah, Papa. I buy His Excellency. Oh, Papa John. Mama. Papa, what's your boy? What's it?
Mammy,
where dear, you go to Jago form. Now, I know it.
Yeah, to say only chrome her.
Accident and that door so
quite so only chrome her. But yeah, more than 2,000 riders. Yeah, association.
Why any chrome her?
President.
Oh, okay. We need
chrome her.
Oh, okay.
So okay.
Okay.
And
what you can grab baby, obeti.
Oba, yeah, the petition be command.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, tina ho.
As I can see you.
Oh,
mommy, we dangerous. Nipa nkwa.
Wow.
Pesa wo dey ade aso mo obi na ase for 5 minutes call. Na man for 5 minutes na nkodu a obeti misika so. Mesu sika na me pe. There was some year me ho se me kwa kodu ho less than the 5 minutes.
One te so a wo block ne pa say ene e bia 3 days.
What did me tell na say? The commission na was ohwe we nyina no. The commission is not working well.
Wow.
The commission is not helping the less privileged in the society.
Okay.
And as you see, I'm signing the courier license. So we'll be an KGB. And first one is so. A Juma was a moya no 1 year. The so when you free deliveries are guys here so. Nipa shira na shira nipa. Young boys who no move from point A to point B.
It is a who side honor who campaign for delivery service no. Omunya accident and I say because say e bi pre mu a then na we fa ho ye bre no time na so.
What we say no. Obia wo fleet partner.
Okay.
Fleet partner na say na we share in case of accident you consult your fleet partner.
Okay.
Fleet partner na one insurance or the cover.
Okay.
So once it happens we consult the fleet partner for assistance.
Oh, okay.
And we make mostly it doesn't happen. We consult the fleet partner no and no nothing good will come out of it. A commission na juma Postal and Carrier Services Regulatory Commission no. Na juma say or say we nyina and call in favor of the rider. But they are not doing it. You came back recently or almost started to see motorbikes. Wow. We are 200 do 600 cedis. You see
for what?
Penalty.
Penalty here day.
I say Yankoji lances.
Oba hima ya nye enchire bia obi ante ho hwe. You just woke up within 2 days. Masha say motor bikes.
Wow. Na bike na kasa na adwuma do sense kasa
no onya. What na was
ma do bia ko hwe busu, de bia hwe no anu ho, de bia tua ne dan ka, de bia I mean na beje de 600.
So one hu obi a ho. So one hu obi a or de ne bike steer ayosumia or da bontia. It will shock you.
Wow.
Or parking bike ni so not the tear to steer no so no wada till the next morning.
And no so na sese mo so CEO for no. Mo de ma wo mo anasa mo de ye adwuma mo so mo ye needful. Esa mo so mo ye de ehia ese efata. Yase koje license a ese okoje. Se na ebe ya e kine bi no obi enim da asembeto bibi etumi si. asam to a almost waiting as what talker because I be first cry be am to say na me nim say comprehensive esa me ye manye because me sure say ma talker me timi atoka adent na say me call comprehensive so na comprehensive na ye 1800 kia picanto manye but unim say me talk any 6 months cry nya accident esa say manye comprehensive ni ntini ye ntimi ama me foforo car that time it on 25,000 Ghana cedis my dear essay ya call you am so be 22,000 Ghana cedis enti come here comprehensive na eke ye ma me foforo ka ye nyeme hwe enti edu ba bia riders na mo so amo ka ho
ma insurance ya ye kan
insurance ya all kan ho asem
insurance ya kan enye de aditwi moto no
okay
eye delivery no
delivery a wo ye e bia wo fa nyema sei e call point bia sa insurance no
na mo se mo nkoya
yes and asha insurance emra ne say wo kan emra na wo kan emra o mo share o plan 2003 na emra ne say obi a waba ebabeji balances e bia oye company or your organization or your store or your online business store or deliver nyama
okay
enti sa nyama or deliver no e bia wo babeji balances no wo ride stairs 20 omo be ya adwuma ma wo beji lances omo be hwe so omo so omo small scale medium and large
wow
enti omo be hwe so omo hwe wo nyama so na omo de ama e bia wo no wo adwuma no e be wo small
okay
anase e be wo medium anase e be wo large
okay
omo na omo be ka kire wo enti e bia wo wakwaji as a fleet partner no waji lances no e bia waji small times go on adwuma de o yi a say wonyini yes wonyini sa no wasa konya another 20 and 15 abeka ho
okay
omo say eye omo wo adwuma say sa 15 awanya no wo ba be ka kire omo na o de omo details e de able omo na omo ahwe so say oh okay first no buy no was small numbers obanya ka ho no still e be ko small na
wow
say enko a na say so wo ye lance for eye medium e be cover sa riders no and as our riders no omo number plate bibia say ewo lances commission mu ho say omo ko operational onya boss omi wa asemesi any fleet partner me fleet partner any asemesi say no ma hwe motor number no mo say anokure say oni stand we are free to go
you know
but one say fleet partners no ene waga so nim come nti ono wa register small
okay
no ama ne riders have a doorso enti akire no on person obekọ akoye fufuro eye eka kese ma no nti no obetwen enti commission for omo hiti road say omo chichi ni pa o ka koche commission say oni say na adwuma o hwe standard na sa nipa ne wo no ohun wo de na only he doesn't bring the record that you are working with him.
Oh, okay.
But it doesn't make sense to say Obechime rider.
Okay, adentia.
Say commission no obi abeje lances for horse mobile motorbike stand. Na say what share nipa 20 a. Adentia na say Obechime bike rider no. Adentia na won kwachi the obeje lances no ho no.
Thank you.
It doesn't make sense. And I'm laying a this allegation.
Yeah, chichi.
We found out say Honorable Sam George and the Shechiri.
18 na mo pesa mo ko strike.
Yes, we are laying this allegation. It's a big allegation.
Let's say mo ko strike me amite mede di koko.
And to ono so say because ho. Ono so delivery so.
Ntina che say koko na je say ye pe koko na ye nanti koto. Ye nika akwa ye nanti.
1 week na say rider BNC kwan so a. As a commission we are more than
2,000. Mo ko strike na be ha ye.
Nya den.
Cause what that koko na 2 seconds na ba.
Unim. Before ye be to aba. Ye papa JM president e ka say obo be regulate system no
okay
with even or say boss obe provide electric bikes
papa buy enche
oba ye enche but oba ye enche no so na wa sha ase chichi
obe kom kra bia na papa kra nim ho hwe
onim ho hwe ase
sam na papa
Sam George adwuma ma no
okay
anti oye den na papa nim ho hwe
yeah papa Sam George Padaroma I salute you brapeni boss ai papa ba ko pe e hu bibi wat na so mani asoko aso se buja no
you see all the places we went to ye call commission ho no commission ka che say Sam George na sanction that arrest no ye free ho no ye call why ye boss senior man Basintali the office I spoke to the man he told us clearly say Sam George and why is he doing that if he cannot regulate
baby akwa any friend papa no say friend say
Malik
Basintali, why you boss? Youth and Employment Agency. The
okay.
wow. That was last Thursday. Nti untimi stop ye obi bia ma ni ye.
Okay.
Ye say nipa mienu miasa bi na anto aba ma aban na. You can't say majority ni nyina anto aba ma. We all brought you to power. Nti untimi sorry met na ye kon so sa.
Abayate wate.
So our system bi ama me.
When ya soja dodo.
No, we are laying this fact. A fact na we say ye kan. E ma honorable Sam George to say.
Okay.
So we bibia who lances operators no more be lances say you will buy extend no more extend your bikes in the numbers no mo na so tackle o
aden na munyina so munya adwen kro na momfa endan Papa Sam George honorable na onhwe no nye hu bibi.
When he started impounding our backs he didn't need our conscience. One be so obia one fro obia.
Oh okay.
Oh chance ya no so chichi enti aso sorry aso de aso ye nim so ne aso ye no.
Oh wow.
The aso feel say be ya aso ho beto ye no. Me aso ya ye. If you don't need our conscience, we don't need your conscience. You didn't respect us as younger generation. The youth is suffering. Ejuma be no nkoye. Ochi na agent 600 cedis as penalty no. Or ye den anya 600 cedis no. Or ye den anya the daily sales 80 cedis to 100 cedis 120 cedis akotua mane the fleet owner. Akotua. Meanwhile, unim asema ya wo ni say fleet partners no. Delivery bia ye no. Otua 5% man no.
Hey,
it is 75%. Each trip.
It is a 10 cedi and 12 cedi.
Yes, so 5%. Every 5%, you know. Nipa or provided service, you know. Also, 17%. And in total, 10 cedi, no.
Plus tax.
Intensity, no. Intensity, but you have more than 25%. Ama service awoye. And it is that 10 cedi, no, 25%. Send a car, 4 hours to saying. Answer na waka so de obedi answer na bia moto owner no obekwa akoye sesa ma no it is na baba ka
imagine say as a commissioner Sam George honorable Sam George down
na say
no because that is what we heard that
on my for some information so omukọ chichichi ye nti I say onu na beda
it's alleged say because unshada nyawe
it's alleged. Oh, really? Can't say alleged because honorable Basintali Kaye.
Oh, okay.
You call commission no commission no omu PR executive.
That video no wo honom.
The video is all around.
Wow. Okasa sem no wo
that video no mame. It's say media Nayas any Angel TV ye dey nim ho hwe. I think ye kasa is alleged no nti won show video no.
Baby obi atimi to bibi. Ana courier service no. Enye adwuma enye peculiar to Ghana nkwa. We as baby uko US, uko UK, uko Dubai. Baby uko courier service. And untina on mine kasa share that law mamo courier services regulation. And no and I want to regulate streamline courier activities. Na mobile you know, me director, me manager Suraj, mobile bomb mania. Say ankra mo de tu omo enim and I'm to me phone. And I'm a friend, Minister, Honorable Sam George. Under ministry, courier agencies no by. Now, my friend, no, me bizarre say, Minister, Eden Ekoso. Also, what to say, Postal and Courier Services Agency. I shall say, Omo Chichimubi. And I'm a panacho. Say, it was say, your flaggy answer. Na nyina mu leadership yetena se na educate sem no mu entinde sesi amene mo kase honorable Sam George or say almost suspended the arrest of all motorists.
Honorable Basintali can say, what friend Honorable Sam George said they should halt on arresting our bikes.
Oh, okay.
Which on the sanction here. And he said,
oh, okay. Okay.
Why do you sanction such arrest on the delivery guy? Obian budget licenses were send me bikes here 10. And you know, Nipa 10 the year Juma. Not in the bikes I could do 20 now on Bao. I was so she any panel go to the office, go and tackle the fleet partner. Wow. And yeah, more some time.
And I saw very revoke or more lances.
Okay.
That is some black. No one sabe there. Almost a year or more lances.
Me on Shramo Namunya Butrema Honorable Sam George and Napamfo. Na te say the then I won omo and Ghana. Ai ye you am so mo ye mpanifo but me gidi se nyame adom bibia be kama but honorable me pa cho wo mmobo twa wani ehwe ye riders no wo mo bre utim so wo kasa omani asoja ko
ma adwuma
ni ko sense a enye adwuma na ndidi eti so mo force enti benefit aboa wo
now what I get it
what me a delivery 2 years e mo awasan ko ajaye enko ye but
one say enko ye but de obenya di
okay
bia onua bi ni ti pai no obenya bi ama no
ana nkobokro no nkoye bone okay unfa
o ma me be fra obenya ni 20 bi obenya ni 50 bi e dey nsu e dey ana so beto aduane bi e dey ana so beto kokoko
aso obenya bi etua odan kan ne ma so dey difficult
pa
wow
man when was the last time I said we miss the bia me can say because said delivery no motorbike robberies apart from
Brenason
say the motorbike ya je obi fun wo kwan chen ya twetu us obi
how de na ehia me pa but say we say delivery for no so o makoka ye friend so ye is a moto ayi for you o mon register you they say bebre na delivery for so whatever for bebre na ya akronfo bebre na aya akronfo
bebre na bet enye ti say first no
oh okay
first no what me to say omo di moto akoye robbery
okay
but ene for 2 years interval robberies do do say ya te say omo di moto akoye
ba bebre na so opon adwuma na akoye ni bag na to baby na the diboni you
but and I can say bonnie no
I reduce you we are not saying say any ho
okay
but there has been a reduction
okay
because it's a first you know oni adwuma ye enti bia that will be his only source of income
but unsusu say eye mo amonkofo ya ma register no na basa de wo omo bossa na omo de omo kan
no because say me pa me buy
say okada for mo so
yeah time na so
okada for so okay I say delivery so for say okada ra e for years adnyema na obede hu
okay
yes I just say ya chi no na ya tutu na numa asem I say betumi am
let's not lay that allegation any okada second let's not lay that allegation with okada and delivery riders yenka say ni ho
okay
but the issue is that the truth is that say me fa me bike from Angel TV ha na me kodru hacho na menya 20 cedis why don't I do it instead say me kwa kobokro no
good yeah me shira I say me fa me bike from Angel TV to Hachu I menya 10 cedi kura na 20 cedi 5 cedi kura ade na menko dan say me bokro no nyankopon shira mo pa eti experience die wanya bi wo ho bebre emu atem didi ese customers ni biti mu atem obekwa akodu o ya bre na so nti age ya mrepe mu no mo san ba bo ne tofa mame ese customers ni bi wo no abekwa akodu o no mo no obekọ no ofre na wo mfa ebitimi didi mu atem no so ehwo ase
obitumi koda
nyo ni nipa net de woni de wo be den se wakoda wa oda wakoda
se obetwe ebia more than 1 hour ebi nkura 2 hours
sa
na wonte ne nkan
na de na mu ahe na unya
yes enti that time now wa waste nyina no ono so on ka so wa waste time
anon cancel no
ji we oba be frɛ no wo an
no that's sorry o we can name no be kai
oba ka chance wa ba wa twene sa wa friends an so ofa oba ka so oh sorry o mada enti wa da no onyama so wo me ho
okay
and I say ano ma frɛ service provider no omo ka chance say me mfa nyema ne fa koma ne wura
back
enti ugu akoma ne wura no omba double scan no
oh okay
you see omba double scan no ye de brew back say je
where did you attempt
me say if you crowd person obu account
wow to abo client be da
me
what no tia client be da
oh you find say ebi akabi ma me kebi no
okay
but enya tem didie
okay
ti say wada
okay
ma de onyama blow ma tumi aga so oh madam enti ye adwuma say ye
okay
what request
na ono enya abotre no wadi watem
ono de ne de
anodin yankopon nhira mo mpanifo se me to nsa frɛ mu a mobile me pa cho o final words na wo telephone number bi a wo de beto dwa se bi a wire delivery you bi pese e bi a but ya na adwuma na ehu eso mu nhwe mo ho so yi pa because obu on ma be feel say wa ye mo kan say wa request right na e bi a no yi nipa bonefo eno so experience ni wonya bi da
ye nya
bebre wow eti me pacho for final ways etuja
dear metumi aka kakra ade aboso say customers no omo hu say ye ne omo na ye adwuma nti bibie ni a omo nya abotre ebe krapo say location a omo dia to ho na enye ho a omo na ye nka because service na provide information no and also a mistake nti na o requesting so a make sure say a service na we request card ye entwe nipa na twe car nti se nipa na be twe card ya wa request car no say o hwe anim say car we almost about bedu 5 minutes so 5 minutes no you have to pay attention to your phone and I said the audio request no say a munyina we adwuma ebe koyi ama munyina because me ba na me be waste me time me so me say madwuma na me here me waste no nti yesre omo so mbo ya ne so ebu omo say sakasa no eso betwa no na metumi aka ade aboso
sure o person do number bi to dwa say bi a Ghana mpanifo no bi person obo amo a but ni nyina ya hweye because obo wa onye pani opo wadi ubone because of what share experience it's no o be avoid the number na de beto
yeah avoid no
nyame unshira papa me da separate bra pani pacho final words na fe
okay
yen wrap up.
What I was saying is the Postal and Courier Regulatory Commission no they should do their work due diligence omunye omudwuma yi no munya so omude omani asi riders so no. And secondly, Expirience Engineering Company Limited, we do CCTV installation, computer networking, key card. You can say we are them now do key be fingerprint access control. We are all over. You can check us on Facebook, Expirience Engineering, and your WhatsApp number is 0554 548063.
Revacho wadaru many di mu number na to boss na shim na boni ye
0554 548063. And your project are ever out very soon. The ghetto project.
Okay.
The ghetto project ni project ya de boa omo nibi.
Okay.
And we are hoping say it will employ more than 5,000 people.
Okay.
5,000 people. It includes delivery services with office works and other. We mean person may go into details. And yes, service can be a courier.
Okay.
And you know, you're funny. See but you pay one so will be interested so of what the ghetto project are. You can call us 0554 548063 or chat us on WhatsApp. Okay. Then we will get to you.
Okay.
Now the ghetto project and moi and so this na what say person boa you won't be doing adwuma the society the money member nyina.
Okay.
Yet me dey boa.
Okay. Nyankopon won hira mo wate. Amen. Say ye to nsa frɛ mo a mo ba in fact we say the view yes ye bre yes ye we experience pa ye ne mbaba be share na in fact mama yate ne ma bi nso ase at the same time mama ye hu say riders ne so dodo na enye nipa bonefo but ukadafo no na aba be frame na ye hu mo sa because obi ho no ma rider bi ho no ma be oda na obeba na uhu na ni ma na ye ma show ebi so ye fi ebi so omo bag na omo di nnuane ne ne magum emu bon papa say ebi ho nya kono ba ko
na ba ko no de fa bibia
e no de fa bibia asto so oye no hu ye ka ko cause ebi ho omo di nnuane ne be ba kra no na nnuane na bo wanum
everything I me say service no problem wo ho pa
okay em repair mo no ye be sign atonsa afrem ye tamo say na kwasie woni ye e be share experience Ebusia aha na bre no be makwan ye djumadi no ye di esi onyankopon koso nham wonya mo kese o ma mo nkwatentene ahode enase kese enkoma aboafo a won esomasen won bo mechi dom nyina me pa cho so pese obo ye chi dom a ye WhatsApp number no eni group screen denim no fa na oni entwhwe nkomo fa kire se ne ye ntumi ampeke course anje wa dwinche fa dwinche nyina fa WhatsApp fa maye me dia eye original Nayas bakope akram pasane essentially.